Welcome to Choice Champions. The best play table is probably one of the most versatile and engaging pieces of equipment you can add to your outdoor space, offering endless opportunities for creative play, learning, and social interaction for children of all ages. Imagine your kids spending hours outdoors, deeply engrossed in imaginative games, conducting science experiments with mud and water, or simply enjoying a snack in their own special spot, all while you relax knowing they're having a blast and developing crucial skills in a safe and stimulating environment. This isn't just furniture, it's an investment in active, imaginative, and joyful childhood. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad, Sprinkler and Baby Pool. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with our unique splash pad. It's designed by parents to make learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun with the cool water sprinklers. Keep your children cool and safe with our parent-approved outdoor water toys. This shallow wading pool is BPA and phthalates-free for quality you can trust. We believe in the power of play for healthy development. This amazing pool offers both educational fun and outdoor play in one fantastic package. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help make it right. What we like? This splash pad is designed for early learning through play. If you are looking for a safe and educational way for your baby or toddler to cool off, this is a great choice. It offers a shallow wading pool with sprinklers and a built-in learning mat, making it ideal for parents who want their little ones to have fun while developing cognitive skills. What people say? The table is sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. It has a good amount of space for multiple children to play at once. The design is practical with a built-in storage area for toys and art supplies. Number 4. Step 2 Rain Showers Splash Pond Water Table. Transform your backyard into a mini water park with this fun water table. It's perfect for endless summer enjoyment. Use the large bucket to scoop water and pour it into the top tray. Watch as the rainfall effect is activated, creating a delightful splash. As the water drains, it activates spinners, ramps, and buckets. This encourages interactive play and exploration of cause and effect. Rearrange the maze pieces to design new waterfalls. It's a fantastic way to engage in STEM-focused, hands-on learning. Kids can create a spinning splash with the handheld wheel. Use the side flipper to send figures back into the pond for more excitement. Keeping it clean is a breeze. You can easily use disinfectant wipes or household cleaners whenever needed. What we like? This water table offers an engaging sensory experience with its unique waterfall and rain effects. If your child enjoys cause and effect play and experimenting with water flow, this table is perfect. The ability to rearrange maze pieces encourages problem solving and STEM learning, making it a fantastic option for curious toddlers. What people say? The table is sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. My kids love the built-in sandbox and water play area. Easy to assemble and clean, which is a huge plus for parents. Number 3. Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Sand and Water Table. Discover a versatile play experience with this fantastic table. It easily transforms from a picnic table to a sand or water activity center, offering endless entertainment. Designed for sunny days, this table is ideal for outdoor lunches, creative play, and educational activities. It's a wonderful addition to any backyard. Keep your child comfortable with the adjustable umbrella. You can easily position it to provide shade, ensuring fun even on the brightest days. Crafted from high-quality, natural wood, this table is built for durability and safety. It's designed to provide years of enjoyment for up to 4 children. Rest assured, this table is made with treated, BPA-free wood, meeting federal safety standards. It's ready for countless hours of safe, imaginative play. What we like? This convertible table offers incredible versatility, transitioning from a picnic table to a sand or water table. If you need a multifunctional piece of outdoor furniture that can adapt to various activities, this is an excellent pick. The included umbrella provides much-needed shade, making it perfect for families who enjoy outdoor meals and creative play sessions. What people say? The table is sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. It has a good amount of space for multiple children to play at once. The design is practical, with built-in storage for toys and accessories. Number 2. Step 2 Dino Dig Sand and Water Table. Discover a world of fun with this versatile activity table. It's designed for both sand and water play, offering endless entertainment possibilities for your little ones. Spark your child's imagination and encourage sensory exploration. This playset is perfect for backyard adventures, helping them learn and grow through play. With a large surface area, multiple children can join in the fun. It's designed to promote social interaction and sharing skills as they play together. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the convenient drainage plug. Spend less time tidying up and more time enjoying playtime with this easy-to-maintain toy. Crafted from durable, double-walled plastic, this toy is built to withstand hours of play. Enjoy years of vibrant, long-lasting fun that won't chip or fade. The unique volcano design not only adds to the fun but also serves as a handy storage solution. It's perfect for keeping toys tidy when playtime is over. What we like? This activity table brings a prehistoric adventure to your backyard with its fun dinosaur theme and dual basins. If your child is fascinated by dinosaurs and loves sensory play with both sand and water, this is the ideal choice. The volcano doubles as a cover and storage, keeping the play area tidy and adding an extra layer of imaginative fun. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. My kids love the built-in water and sand features, it keeps them entertained for hours. The umbrella provides great shade on sunny days, making it comfortable for playtime. Number 1. Best Choice Products Wooden Kids Picnic Table with Umbrella. Get ready for outdoor fun. This table is the perfect spot for lunch, learning, and playtime on a sunny day. This scaled-down classic is made from strong hemlock wood. It has a sturdy weight capacity and rounded edges for safe playtime. Each board is treated with a weather coat. This helps it resist fading and maintain a pleasing appearance, rain or shine. The umbrella can be easily adjusted up or down. This provides shade, even as your little one grows. Designed with treated, BPA-free natural wood. Your children can enjoy the outdoors safely in a new way. What we like? This classic wooden picnic table provides a charming and durable space for outdoor activities. If you're seeking a sturdy, child-friendly table for meals, crafts, or general play, this is a wonderful option. Its robust construction and weather-resistant coating ensure it can withstand years of use, making it a long-lasting addition to your outdoor space. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. It has a good amount of space for multiple children to play at once. The design is practical with a built-in shelf for storing toys and supplies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.